Hi everyone, this is Miss Carolyn and I'm back to do activity 2 with you. This activity goes along with lesson 3 story, and we're just going to answer some questions about the story together. So the first question is, what is the title of this story? If you don't remember, we can go back and look at the title page. So this is the title page, and the title of the story is The Mixed Up Nest. And go ahead and look at this title page because I'm going to be asking you about who the author is and the illustrator as well, okay? So the title is The Mixed Up Nest. So we will go back. And we will put in the answer right here. The Mixed Up Nest. And next question. Who is the author of this story? The author is who wrote the story. Let's go back. The author is Claire Rep. Claire Rep will go right here. And the illustrator of this story, that's the person who drew the pictures in the story, and that was Todd Gardner. Now, I want you to think back to who the characters are in this story. Do you remember which animal was looking for their baby and which animals hatched from the eggs? Those were the characters in the story. There was Mama Snake, Mama Duck. She was looking for baby duck. There was Mama Alligator. Yes, Mama Platypus. And there was another character with a long, thin beak. That was Mama Hummingbird. Those are all characters in the story. Now, the setting of the story. The setting is where the story took place. If you look back at the pictures in the story, you can tell what the setting is. Let's look at the title page. And we can also look, so what does this look like? Where does Mama Duck look like she is? Does she look like she was at Target or the pond? Yes, she looked like she was at the pond. That would be the setting. The story took place at the pond. Events. What happened in the story? Well, let's look back. Let's go to another page. Mama Duck looked at the eggs. Mama Duck waited and waited. On many pages it says, Mama Duck waited and waited. Finally, another egg hatched. So one thing we can say that happened in the story is Mama Duck waited for the eggs to hatch. She was looking for her baby in this story. But in order to find her baby, she had to wait for the eggs to hatch. And the last question is, who is talking in this story? Who is the narrator? And it's both. It's both the author and the character. Mama Duck talks in the story, and so does the author. They both do. All right, and I went a little quickly. All right, and that's all, folks. Thanks for helping me fill out our list, and I will be back to do more videos with you, okay? So see you soon. Bye.